Hey and welcome again to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will see the environment of the repository in Git and GitHub. So this is the main interface of our repository, and here we see the number of commits we use. Here the branch. For the moment we have just a master branch. That's why we have just one. And here some fetch collaborators, or the person who work in the same repository. For example, if we were in a company, we will find like a whole team working in same repository. So here we will find, for example, 4 or 5 contributors. We click on it and we see all their name with all what they did. Here we can see the license. We choose Apache, that's why it's named here Apache 2. And important thing in all this feature is the setting. So let's click in the setting, and in the setting we can rename our repository, and just write new name, and after that click on rename. Here if we want issues, if we want, for example, the issue to not show in our repository, we uncheck them. And the important thing is here, the dangerous zone. So for here in dangerous zone we have make this repository private. We click on make private and it will change from public to private. Before to make a repository private you need to pay. Now it's free. So we need just to click on make private, and it will transform from public to a private. So that's our code source will not be public and everyone can see it. Second thing, we have transfer ownership. For example, if we work in a firm and we want to leave the project and to go to another project, and this project is in for example, the project is our website or the repository website, and we need to give it to some other team or to some other developer. In this case we click to transfer, and here we type the name of the project and the username of the other person who wants to take and to be the owner of it. And here we have also achieve repository if we want to achieve some repository, or to delete a repository. Also for delete and archive repository we need to write the name of our repository, then I understand the consequences and delete this repository. So that's be all for this video, and see you soon.